Hey guys, Clint, TWS Motors here. Got a 2003 Discovery 2. The rear C panel had fallen off. I just came out one day in the lot and a strong wind or someone broke it off, I don't know. But basically, it can look a little daunting to replace because what you're left with is just these little nubs here, and they're actually bolts that are in behind your panel here. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is pick yourself up a new C panel. It's on the TWS Motors website. There'll be a link in the description. You can get away with just removing this little clip, and the top clip right there. Just a screwdriver and some pliers will get those out. And then what I would suggest you do is, mine had never been replaced before, so there was tape over the 3 holes. I just broke through the tape, and then what you've got is a 9/32. I think, let's see, yep, 9/32 little bolt behind there, okay? And it attaches to these. These come through here like this. Mine were spinning around, so I had to put a vice grip on it. What I would suggest though is, because within here, if these bolts fall down, they're gonna never land. Okay? Take a few small pieces of black electrical tape. Let's try to get that to focus. Cut them off. Wrap them on the inside. Make sure that's really tight when you're putting that bolt on. Okay? So when you get the bolt on there, it doesn't just slide out. Okay? Because if you lose it, you're in trouble. The kit doesn't come with the bolts. And then you're going to slide the panel back on. In just reverse order. You got to pull this down a little bit too to get out. Okay? So I had to rack my brain for a minute to figure this one out. So hopefully this helps. Thanks guys. Keep watching.